I'm Marty Martin, and today we're going to be covering White Christmas. I'll play it through at a normal speed, and then I'll do a bit of a breakdown later on and play it a wee bit slower for you. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. So that's it played through at a normal speed, and now I'm going to break it down. And the strum pattern is, that's bass, down, up, bass, down, up, bass, down, up. And by bass, I mean the top string on its own. Bass, and then a full strum, down, up, bass, down, up. So if I put that to the song, it'll sound like this. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. So that's it, folks. I played through a wee bit slower for you with the rhythm and strum pattern. So just keep playing that until it becomes natural to you, and then try part one along with me, and hopefully that helps. And until next time, keep strumming and keep her lit.